Hi traders, hope you're having a great day. The last 7 days have been incredible, with many altcoins showing strong bullish momentum and impressive breakouts. If you've been waiting for the next trading opportunity, well, now is the time to stay prepared. We've just posted our latest trading calls on our Patreon page, including potential breakout setups, entry zones, targets, and full technical analysis. Don't miss the next move. Join our Patreon today. The link is right in the description below. Disclaimer: please do your own research. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Happy trading and have an amazing day.